Are you planning to build a new railing or retrofit an old railing for your deck or house? Want to do it quickly and easily by yourself? Great! All you have to do is magically transform yourself into an octopus. That's because almost every baluster system is a hassle to install and requires multiple hands, patience, and biting your tongue. Most manufacturers won't tell you this dirty secret, but once you buy their product, you find out. Fear not. With Snap'n Lock Balusters, you really can do it quickly and easily. Patented connectors let you snap in your balusters sideways with the railing already in place. It's so easy, even a child can do it. No more aligning multiple dangling balusters trying to fit them into holes or plugs. Just mark the connector locations on the rails using the template included with the kit and screw them in place. Install the rails to the posts at your own pace. Then the fun begins as you snap each baluster into the connectors and slide and lock the beautiful architectural collars in place. It doesn't matter whether you're working on new or old railings, outdoors or indoors. It really is as simple as it looks. Don't make the mistakes so many people do by choosing other systems. Get the Snap'n Lock Baluster system today. Get our free Snap'n Lock e-guide to start planning your project by clicking the button below.